Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to manually add a new subscriber to your email list in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, then click on CRM and click on lists. Here you will see the available lists in your Brevo account, and the email list that I will use for this video is this one called test emails list to delete. Right now it has 0 contact. Let's click on it. As you see, this email list has 0 contact. I will go back to the emails list, then the contacts page, and from this contacts page, click on this create a contact button to manually add or create a new email subscriber. For the first name, I will call it test name. For the last name, I will jump it. For the email, I will add this test@dotcom.builders. This is the email address that I will add. For the double opt-in, I will go with yes. It means that this email address is confirmed. For the list, I will say. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. For the list, I will select my list. It's under this folder called your first folder. And this is the test emails list that I want to add my contact into. Close this. For the opt-in, yes, this email opted in. My bad. I already selected double opt-in. So for this, I will skip this field. Associated to companies, I don't have a companies. For the time zone, I will select this time zone, for example, and then click on create. As you see, the contact with this name is created. Let's refresh this emails list and I should see my contact added. As you see, this is my newly added contact, and this is how to manually add a new subscriber to your email list in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.